Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Impressionistic, tropical, vibrant, stone cottage nestled amongst lush tropical foliage, bright purple bougainvillea, rich green palms and other tropical plants, terracotta tile roof, warm brown wooden door, light beige stone walls, white pebble path leading to the cottage, wooden decking, sunlight, cloud-filled azure sky, detailed plants, hyper-realistic botanicals, garden path, peaceful, carefully composed, detailed textures, midday sun, focus on the front of the house. Detailed flowers, bright colors, soft lighting. Photorealistic, impressionistic style, cozy, charming small black wooden house with a sloped dark brown roof, overflowing with vibrant colorful flowers in a lush garden. Bright, multicolored flowers, pinks, purples, oranges, yellows, reds, and blues. Flower boxes full of flowers and greenery, hanging from the house's windows. A stone path winds through the garden. Green grass. Natural light, soft shadows. Detailed foliage, dark green trees surrounding the house. A decorative wreath on the front door. Peaceful, idyllic, summer day, cloudy sky. Detailed textures, close-up view. Photorealistic, lush tropical garden, wooden cabin, pathway of light gray stones, vibrant orange flowers, lush greenery, palm trees, banana trees, bright sunlight, partly cloudy sky, detailed foliage, mid-size cabin with open porch, wooden beams, brown wooden siding, impressionistic, detailed textures, perspective, digital painting, high resolution, detailed garden beds, carefully planted shrubs and flowers. Warm colors, bright, natural light, no shadows, carefully rendered lighting. Close-up, smooth transitions between colors and textures, pixel art style, Minecraft aesthetic, tropical island feel. Photorealistic modern tropical home exterior, entrance, large wooden front door, light brown stone and dark brown wood accents, large windows with glass panels, lush tropical plants and landscaping, variety of green plants including banana leaves, light beige pathway leading to the entrance, bright colorful flowers, sunny day with partly cloudy sky, modern architecture, natural light, high angle shot, detailed landscaping. Focus on the entrance, warm color palette, view of the home exterior, impressionistic soft focus on the landscaping, depth of field, high quality, 8K resolution, vibrant colors, detailed textures, smooth concrete walkway, stylish modern exterior design. Photorealistic, sunny day, Mediterranean-style house, light beige stucco exterior, terracotta tile roof, arched entryway with dark brown double doors, landscaping with orange and yellow flowering plants, gravel pathway meandering through the yard, lush green lawn, cloudy blue sky, detailed landscaping, impressionistic lighting. warm colors, detailed textures, detailed shadows, exterior shot, high quality, 8K, vibrant, professional photography style. Photorealistic, tropical outdoor scene, lush green tropical foliage, vibrant yellow and lime green leaves, dark gray/black stone pathway winding through a garden of tropical plants, dark gray/black pavers forming a meandering walkway, pebbles of similar dark gray/black color beneath the pavers, manicured green lawn, modern contemporary stone exterior of a house, wood deck leading to the house, stone walls in a stacked stone pattern, warm natural light, impressionistic colors, detailed textures. High resolution, cinematic lighting. Modern home exterior, tropical setting, large entryway with light beige stone walkway, leading to wooden front door framed by dark brown siding, dark brown/black window frames with large glass panels, stone and wood siding accents, lush tropical plants including banana trees and various foliage in vibrant greens and yellows, mulch/flower beds with pops of color, sunny day with partly cloudy sky, high-quality perspective, detailed landscaping, natural light, architectural design. Contemporary style, exterior shot, focal point on front door, wide shot. Large, ornate Mediterranean-style home, light beige stucco exterior, terracotta roof, arched doorway with dark brown double doors, ornate columns flanking entry, lush landscaping, colorful flower beds with orange, red, and other vibrant flowers and plants, stone pathway leading to entry, tropical/subtropical climate, full of palm trees and greenery, sunlight casting gentle shadows, hyperrealistic, detailed, wide shot, outdoor scene, daylight, clear sky with some scattered clouds. Tropical paradise, lush gardens, pathway, houses with brown, beige, and terracotta details, vibrant flowers, pink, purple, yellow, lush green foliage, palm trees, impressionistic, sunlight dappling the path, smooth curves in the pathway, stone edging to the pathway, detailed landscaping, organic textures, wide shot, realistic lighting, midday sun, clear skies, peaceful atmosphere, travel destination, resort, garden path, 3D, photorealistic, high detail, warm colors, detailed flowers, accurate perspective. Photorealistic, lush tropical garden, stone pathway, light streaming through foliage, dense green vegetation, vibrant green leaves, sunlight dappling through trees, concrete pathway with light gray paving stones, stone steps leading to modern minimalist house, light beige/gray house facade, wooden accents, tropical plants, banana leaves, detailed textures, soft focus, natural light, warm tones, impressionistic style. Shallow depth of field, high resolution, no shadows, 3D model. Garden design. Impressionistic garden scene, modern backyard patio, wooden deck with large, light brown planks, stone steps leading down to a garden path made of light beige flagstones and dark gray gravel, dark brown wicker lounge chairs and cushions on the deck, potted plants and greenery, various shades of green, yellow, and orange flowers, shrubs, lush green lawn, contemporary home with dark gray stone exterior and dark colored roof, wooden fence. Trees and foliage in the background, warm sunlight. Soft shadows, natural light, peaceful, calm aesthetic. High angle, detailed, impressionistic, garden path, cobblestones, gravel, wooden planks, various sized stones, plants, bushes, greenery, accent plants, decorative elements, rustic wooden bench, sunlight filtering through foliage, warm earthy tones, white/gray walls in the background, shallow depth of field, focus on the path and surrounding plants, natural textures, carefully designed miniature garden. Decorative rocks, small pots of plants, suggestive of a tranquil outdoor space. Smooth and rough textures combined, slightly overgrown, photorealistic, detailed foliage, close-up view. High angle, hyper-realistic view of a small, landscaped patio garden. Light beige wooden decking with visible grain, leading up a set of light gray concrete steps. White gravel/pebble pathways interspersed with gray stones and rocks. Several small, low-growing succulents and small plants in gray ceramic pots, in varying shades of green and grayish blue. 3 light gray stepping stones/pavers are arranged within the gravel area. Lush greenery surrounds the area, various shades of deep and light green foliage. Natural light, bright, almost morning sunlight. Focus on the detail of the various textures, wood, stone, gravel, plants. Composition is meticulous and intentional, Zen garden style.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.